Hello everyone, Richie Gaming 25 here. I have to lower my computer a little bit like this because I don't know how to remove the webcam. Sorry guys. I was trying to use my actual camera right here, but turns out I don't know how to remove the camcorder so I can flip it back to this thing, to my camera, so I can do this. It's really be a right angle. Welcome to another welcome to another edition of card openings. This time it's Pokemon. So we have like that's three, five, six. We have 8 card packs. The only reason why I put these in there because these are unified minds. You know, with all the tag team ones. I just found these on the floor. I thought I lost them. I finally found them. These were from Dollar Tree 2 years ago. Yeah, I've been had these inside my trunk deal for like 2 years. Void Voltage, Darkness Blaze, and Rebel Clash. And plus we have this Void. Yeah, I think it ain't Void. Vivid Voltage. This is more like a structure deck. So before we do that, let's start with these. Let me just move. You know what? Let me pause this. All right. I have miscounted because I forgot these was right there because these are combined as 11 booster packs. So let's go ahead and open one. Okay. We have Marini, Quadragon. Like I said, I cannot pronounce the name, guys. I'm sorry. And Tortuga, I think. This is a rare one. Cool. We got Pikachu, Abomasnow, I think, and Laurentis, I think. Like I said, I'm sorry, I cannot pronounce the names. Wait, I got these. These are I've been hoodwinked. only got one rare Pokemon card. Even though I have tons of rare Pokemon cards. So, okay. We got Execute, Yanuma, and Steenie. Finally, Steenie. Thank you, Pokemon. Sun and Moon. Okay, we got Dwebble, Dribble. Like I said, I cannot pronounce the names. I'm sorry, guys. And Electric Energy. You know what? I have an idea. There. All sorted. Man. We got, okay. Honedge. Fungus. And a rare Muna. Alright, so that was really fun last night of doing Warframe New War. I didn't know it was the last one. if you haven't seen the broadcast, I suggest you watch it, because I will be leaving it there for like probably starting Monday. So I'm gonna end it probably around 2 weeks. Yeah, I'll have to delete the broadcast 2 weeks. So I'm sorry, guys. So, ooh, this first form from Mantis. Oh, another second form. Toxapex. Ooh, ooh, and I got a second form of the Blade. Oh my gosh. I wonder if I'm gonna have like a tag team one, like Darkrai and Umbra. I already have Darkrai and Umbra in the game. Okay, we got Slockoth, a Fairy Energy, and a second form of Munna. I think is Mashara. I can't pronounce the name. I'm sorry, guys. This was from Black and White, Pokemon Black and White. Yeah. All right, the last pack. The only reason why I separate these from the other ones, because these are 3 packs, and the ones I got right now is the 10 cards pack. These are 3 cards pack. Okay, last 3 cards pack. We have Markrow, a rare Aquanade. I don't know the card name. It's from yeah, Sun and Moon, and we have a Chandelier trainer card. It's a trainer card. I don't know how to pronounce the name, guys. Like I said, I don't know how to pronounce the game. Okay, onward to these. Man. So all the other videos of Warframe, they'll still be here, but the broadcasts, I have to, you know, always have to check on stuff. Check on them. And see how long I had them, and then have to delete them. I'm sorry, guys. I know it'll be good, but thanks to the... I have to watch out for, like, copyright, so I've got to be careful, though. Okay, we got this. This redeem card. And I have 3 of them, I think. I don't know how to check my... Alright, give me it. No, let's do this. Okay, we got Coughing. Bronzor, I think. Toxel? Litwick. Latoad. A rare Durant. Oh no, not this card. The opposite, the one I cannot pronounce the first time. I still cannot pronounce it. We have Electric Energy, Curse Shovel Trainer card, cannot pronounce the name of this one. I'm sorry, guys, it's really hard. We have another Doublade. So, yeah, once I try to open this thing, I did delete my Discord server, I think 3 years ago, because I wasn't been on there for quite a while. So I'm rebuilding it back up. Still gonna have some things, you know. I'm gonna have like the Yu-Gi-Oh stuff, some like giveaways and Pokemons and stuff, you know, all that. And if I manage to do that, I will make sure I put the link of it on the below. So I'm sorry, guys. We have another redeem card. Whoa, it's a lot different from the others. Oh well. Okay, we got a Globopus, Oh, Woobat. Whoa. I don't know how many Woobats I have. I got a Tello, a Charmander, a Wooper. Oh, finally! A rare Rockruff! Whoa. Whoa. Oh, okay. We have another, you know those EX cards, right? Well, I have a, whoa. Well, you know, EX and GX stuff. Now this is a V card. It's a rare Steelix. It's the exact same thing as an effect of the EX and GX card. When your V Pokemon V is knocked out, your opponent takes 2 prize cards. Oh, it's gonna add to my collection. Gonna set it right there. Ooh, we got a electric energy. Man, I got 3 of them. Okay, we got B, trainer card. You know, from Pokemon Journey, when Ash tried to face her. Let's see. He lost one, and they both tied. I wonder who wins the next match. We got a Giraffe. I still cannot pronounce this name. It's been so long since I've had to say this, but I do not know the name. And we have Moo Moo Cheese Trainer Card. Whoa, I never heard of this one. Heal 30 damage to up to your Pokemons that have energy attached. Oh, that's good. Okay, this is the last pack. Okay, as we know, we have this redeem card. We got Cubchoo, Aeron, Sterling, Purloin, another. Oh wait, another Marini. Wait, hang on, Marini. Give me a second, guys. Okay, this is weird. One Marini that's that's a sidekick, and the other one is water. Oh my. Okay, this is simply, I don't know. Okay, we got a rare billowing smoke trainer card, and it's rare. Whoa. You know those Dynamax cards? Okay, I got one. This is a V Max. It's a lot different. I cannot pronounce the name of this. This is from Sword and Shield, and it's a lot different than the V ones. See, if your V Max Pokemon, if your Pokemon VX is knocked out, your opponent takes 3 prize cards. Okay, I'll go with the V. We got a Grass Energy, Digrio, Gyarados. Yeah, Gyarados. Okay. Isn't he supposed to be grass? No, probably none. And an old PC trainer card. Okay, let me read this one. Flip 2 coins. If both heads, put a card from your discard pile into your hand. Ooh, that's good. Ooh, that's really good. Alright, give me a second. Let me check out and see how many redeem cards I have right now. And let's see. Before I count it, I have 3 redeem cards. So I have a feeling this one I have redeem cards. And plus I found 4 more redeem cards in my trunk, so the combined with 3 and 4, that makes 7. Okay. I think I have an idea. Let's go ahead and clean this out. Oh, look, it has a Pokemon trainer. I don't know who she is. I actually don't know. Oh, shoot. It looks like I have more than just the card deck. Ooh, hang on. It's a lot different. Hang on, let me. It's a lot more than it can handle, man. I still have the old ones, but this is really new. Oh my. Oh shoot, look at the back. This is completely new. You know, the old one has like the whole placemats, right? This is just only half of them. Reminds me of my Duel Master cards with the starter deck. Oh, plus it has this. Mm-hmm. Oh man, and I actually have instructions in it instead of having instructions on the back of the placemats. That's really something. You know I look like this. And they're completely, really shiny. Okay. Wait. These are damages. Then where happened to... There's the special conditions. So, what happened to the poison and burn ones? I'm still wondering. What's this? Oh, the deck themes. Okay. Plus, it has the list. Oh, ooh, wow. I don't know what the blue square rest. What does that mean? Okay, standard foil. Okay, it's a standard set and a standard set foil and pearl set. I don't know what that means. Amazing rare and wait, what does these mean? Okay. Okay, it says with these are really rare. Okay. Let me see. I'm sorry. Give me a second, guys. It turns out this thing is from the standard set foil. V Steelix is actually an ultra rare card. And I'm just looking for this card to see if this one's ultra rare. But this is a V Max. I don't know how. So okay. I'm getting kabobbled here. Okay. Let's get on with it. As we know, we have the redeem cards. That makes 8 in total. And we have the rare. Druna! Druna. So, this is actually the standard deck set. Wait, hang on. This one has... It doesn't have the deck list, though. Of course, it's on the back. I have to cut this out. Dang. I had to cut it out. But there's no... Oh. Coin of Druna. Added to my collection. So, we got... Oh, hang on. Well, we know the trainer call... The trainer call name is Nessa. Man, to be honest, I think we have right now is 5 energy. So the box says it has this is 5 water energy. It says it has a total of 18 water energy right now, plus 2 Switch, 2 Sonya, 2 Professor's Research, 3 copies of Nessa. 2 Great Balls. Yeah, Great Balls. 4 Hop. What the heck is a Hop? Give me. Well, I figure out where its hop is. Well, looks like it. Well, we have Dan too. So how many? We have 2 copies of Dan, 1 copy of Evolution Instant, 2 BD, 2 copies of Wish Washi, I think, 2 copies of Commandant. I'm sorry. I'm just reading the deck list. Some of these is really. You know what? Screw it. Let's go ahead and show it. Oh wait, I already showed you these. Oof. Do what? Okay, we got. I think we have gonna have a Oshawott. I know we're gonna have an Oshawott because we had those 2 evolutions. So I hope. There it is. There's Oshawott. Increase instant. No, evolution instant. Evolution instant sends your deck. Search through your deck for evolution Pokemon, reveal it, and put it into your hand. Then shuffle your deck. Oh, this Pokemon! The Schoolfish Pokemon. Okay. Another copy of Oshawott. And the Chutai. Man, got another Duat. Never heard of this Pokemon before. But I recognize that one. Wait, hang on. Wait. Hang on. Let me even finish up this one. I'm gonna take this one out. I love the pictures. I actually do love the pictures and stuff. Oh, we got the second evolution of this Pokemon. Okay. There's this 2 copies of Switch though. Yeah, this has 2 copies of Switch. My God. Okay. Man, we got so many water Pokemon and a Semiyacht and Duat again. Okay. Okay, there we are. Yeah, I gotta show you after this thing. Okay. Another Oshawott and this last one. Okay. Alright. I think that's all of them. Okay. The only thing I stopped on that one Pokemon is because of this part. You see the background of this? Right there? That's the actual Pokemon. Guess what it is? This Pokemon. I think the story goes like this. The fish was showing this picture till this guy comes in, and then this picture shows that he's swallowing. Okay, it's not crucial though, but I'm a little bit shocked of what's transpired here. It's like a little bit of storyline. He comes out in a frame until he comes right there inside. It's like a photobomb. And then right next to you, boop. There's lots of. This is hilarious, though. Okay, so it's all right. Actually, I do know what to do with these, but I'm not telling you guys because it is a secret. Because these are a lot different from these, so I'm gonna do the kindest thing and do one of my favorite. So we got 2 of these. No, three. My bad. And we have, oh, we got 8. Wait, 3. And no, we got 7. Yeah, we got 7. This one didn't have no redeem, cards whatsoever. I think. Oh, it did. And that was it. Okay, there we go. That's all the time I have for today. But I will do something and try to fix, oh, excuse me. My Discord server. So I think I can handle it on my own. And I know what to do with these. I'm going to put them into my trunk. So there you have it, guys. That's all the time I have for today. If you like this video, why don't you press like? If you're new to this channel, why don't you subscribe and hit that notification button and help me get 1,000 subscribers or more. If you want to see my previous videos, it's right here. And if you want to, and my channel is right here too. Till then, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out, guys. Bye.